Ambreen, what are you up to?
I reached Singapore at Changi Airport and I'm through with my immigration.
So what are you waiting for, your luggage?
Yes.
How about your ears? ठीक हो गया अब? सुनाई दे रहा अब?
ओ भाई
कानों से सुनाई दे रहा?
एक से नहीं सुनाई दे रहा, एक से सुनाई दे रहा।
अच्छा अभी भी ये प्रेशर है?
हाँ।
कोई बात नहीं, don't worry.
तो
It'll be
काफी से
fine.
ठीक हो जाएगा।
Right. Go check out on your luggage. हमारा कोई और ना उठा के कोई ले जाए, सेम जैसे सेम है। ओ देखो, we got it.
अरे उतारो।
So we are heading towards the duty-free shops. A lot of perfumes, wines, and many more shops. Since it's duty-free, तो सस्ती मिलती है यहाँ पर हर चीज़. So it's a must check out. Most likely.
So हमारा होटल Ambreen स्ट्रीट पे है, IBIS. This is out.
Yeah.
Fine.
And that's the temple over here.
I've checked into the IBIS hotel, 7th floor. And let's go.
And that's our room number.
Yeah, 703. Well, good.
Sure out.
So let's see. Wow, it's great. See, such a. Is it a cupboard? No. It's a wall. And this is a small sofa. Yeah, a table and a chair. Wow. And we have some.
टी कॉफी मेकर एंड
That's a little lamp.
And this is a locker to keep your money safe or anything, any expensive stuff. And this is the tea coffee maker, and it's a small fridge. We don't have anything in this, but we can keep our bottles, small bottles, and many things more. And we have a press over here and a pressing table as well. See? And we have hangers to have hanger clothes.
And that's the hotel
Yeah.
view. I don't know what
Summer View Hotel.
that's
Summer
the
View
back
Hotel.
side of this
Yeah.
hotel. There are little shops around the corner.
Yeah.
I think that's one of them is a bakery. We just came back from there.
And the washroom.
That's the bath area, and that's the hair dryer. And there's a soap, liquid soap dispenser. 2 glasses are provided, and they say that the tap water is safe to drink, so you can refill your bottles with this water, and it's totally safe to drink. There's a sliding door in the bath area, and then again you see 2 dispensers. One is a liquid soap and one is a conditioning shampoo. Also they provided the dental kit, toothbrush. These are 2 toothbrushes, right?
I'm relaxing time. I just want to jump on this bed. Yeah.